here we are again. Hey everybody, thank you for watching this video and checking out the channel. It's JF Kozlowski Jr. I got my birthday present a little early, so I'm gonna go with it a little early because I gotta do this before the 26th is up. I love trains, love this event. Really happy with all of this.
Let the hunt begin.
All right. Off the jump. All right. Luck has been reset. The only thing we can do from here is spin. I need 8 more. Whew. Thanks, Ma. Take one more. I think we're gonna go for the 5 and grab that last token, put it towards the next one, get the pre-purchase. 5 more. Okay. Here goes. Breathtaking. We're gonna call these openings when we go for openings. Whew. I already got all the pieces for that gun too. What you gonna do, shot caller, shot baller? Woof. Should be able to paint that up too. Wow. Look at all those, and we got another. Wow. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll transform those on to the next. No, though. I don't think I want any of that. It's cool though. Make sure you get your pre-order. You can transform those main emblems into the next. Whew! That took it out of me. And all I did was spin. All right, cool. Let's get our train. Choo choo. Chicka 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 chicka.
Relish every showdown.
It's already been a great year. Huh.